Hey there. A camping trip is supposed to be relaxing right up until you're standing at the campsite realizing you forgot the stove. Let me walk you through the Camping and Outdoor Trip Planner, tab by tab, so every trip runs smoothly from booking to breaking camp. Start on trip setup, enter your dates, destination, who's coming, and your overall budget. Set it once and it flows through every other tab. The dashboard is your at-a-glance view, total trip cost, what's booked, what's still outstanding, and how you're tracking against budget. Campsite comparison lets you line up the sites you're considering side by side, nightly rate, amenities, drive time, and your own rating, so you book the right one instead of the first one. The Reservations tab keeps every booking in one place: campsite, confirmation number, dates, and what you've paid, so nothing gets lost in your inbox. Gear and Packing is the tab that saves the trip. Every item by category, who's bringing it, and a packed checkbox. No more duplicate stoves and no more forgotten sleeping bags. The Meal Planner maps out every meal for every day, plus the ingredients you need to buy, so you shop once and eat well all week. The Daily Itinerary lays out each day's plan, hikes, drives, activities, so everyone knows what's happening without a group chat argument. And the Budget Tracker logs what you actually spend against what you planned: campsite fees, gas, food, gear, so you know the real cost of the trip. That's the whole planner. Every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go plan your best trip yet. Thanks for watching.